Introducing the Diploma in Fine Jewellery, a 1-year online course taken part-time to advance your jewellery techniques and take yourself and your jewellery business potential to the next level. Focusing on fine jewellery techniques, covering stone setting skills such as shaped claw settings, advanced collet settings, marquise stone settings, star settings using gravers, and a greater understanding of working with precious metal and gemstones for high-end jewellery work. Advanced metalwork skills such as making a box clasp, creole hinged earrings, filigree for jewellers, locket making, and creating statement diamond rings, as well as design and rendering and regular jewellery business support sessions. This course is designed to upgrade your technical skills, your design skills, and support you in running a thriving business. We have created the most comprehensive, fully online diploma in fine jewellery and advanced jewellery making skills, which can be taken in your own time, flexible learning from wherever you are based in the world. Taught by world-class expert tutors in the industry, combining professionally filmed state-of-the-art videos with live support sessions, individual mentor feedback sessions, and one-to-one marking for each term, as well as a fully supported Facebook group to get your questions answered as you go through the course. This is the perfect course for any jeweller who has mastered the basics of silverwork and has a solid grounding in basic stone setting techniques to take their work to the next level. To find out more, come and join us on an online open day session, or visit jewellersacademy.com and click on the Fine Jewellery Diploma to enroll. Enrollment is open while availability lasts, and early booking is highly recommended. If you love jewellery making, just imagine what you could create with all of these new skills. Your potential is limitless, and we're here to support you through every step of the journey. We look forward to welcoming you on this innovative online program of training for passionate jewellers very soon.